In this video, I'm going to show you how I built this deck with ramp. It's all made out of pressurized treated wood, and it's going to benefit me and the next owners of this house. Stay tuned. I have a 2x6. I have a 2x6 right here and a 2x6 right here. On the inside I got it lag screwed to 4x4, and on the outside I got it lag screwed onto the 4x4 right here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to have some joist hangers in the middle here, about 2 of them. This platform is about 4x4, and what I'm planning on doing is I want to have a ramp that comes off 8 feet, and I don't know what the incline on that would be. This is going to be a lot better than what we have here. My old one, it's falling apart. I'll show you that here in a second. Our old step platform, as you can see, it's caving in right there, and it looks like that they just used pressed wood with carpet over the top, which isn't too good when you have moisture and a lot of high humidity in the air, such as we do here in South Texas. So that's another reason why I'm building this deck. Here's a better angle of the deck that I'm building. Right now the boards are not nailed down in place yet. I want to get my stringers in. Right now they're just sitting on there so I get a calculation of what I need to put between one post and the other. Like I was saying, I was going to put 2 stringers, whatever you want to call them, on joist hangers, and that's how I did that. They're held in with galvanized nails. On the ramp I have 3 stretchers, and they're held in with joist hangers with galvanized nails. On the hand railings, as you can see at the corners there, you miter it at a 45-degree angle. You put 1 screw on the outside to hold the angle together, and then you put the 2 screws on the top there on each side, and that fastens that down to the 4x4 post. On the bottom there I have a 2x4 support post, rail, whatever you want to call it, and it's held in underneath for some more support, 2 4x4 blocks on each side. Here's a better picture of the handrail with the stretcher, whatever you want to call it. It's the support rails. And if you can see the way the boards are laid, see how the rings are kind of like round with the top of it at the top. That keeps the boards from cupping. So you want to make sure when you lay boards down, you want to do it like that. Otherwise they'll cup if they're laid the other way around. On the other side of the ramp, the hand railing was a little bit too wide going towards the house. So what I had to do was cut it and, well, kind of like notch it to where it wraps around the house. Now it's time for the other side handrail. On this corner here, had a little bit of difficulty, so what I ended up doing, was chiseling the handrail part itself to go underneath the end cap. So I'll show you. As you can see, it worked out pretty good, and it's support nice and level. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. This ramp will benefit me, as I don't like climbing steps. And if I was to sell this place, since it is in a 55 and older community, the ramp would be beneficial for the next owner. If you like what I do, please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. That way you have insights on the stuff that I will review or build and creating during the week prior to posting these videos. If this is your first time seeing one of my videos, please don't forget to subscribe for more reviews or projects as great as this. Also, could you please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and please share it with your friends, and leave me a comment below if you have any questions or if you have any improvements that I could have looked upon. Stay safe, happy woodworking, and I'll see you all later.